Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. So I have here a couple jackets from Kimimoto. They have sent me other things to review before, like some heated vests, heated socks, and they are great. They also sent me some heated gloves. Really good stuff. Never had no problem with them. Me and the wife ride two up a lot, either on the Shadow or on this 300L. And it is now getting down pretty cool. So we're going to try these things out actually tomorrow on a ride. I'm going to open them up here, show you them, try them on. Then tomorrow on our ride, it's going to be cool. So we're going to have these on, try them out and see how they work on a day's ride. But these should be pretty cool because it's actually a jacket and they actually heated in the front, the back, and in the arms. So that's going to be nice out on a ride. These are made out of some super quality. I've checked these out, done some investigation before I got them. But Kimimoto sent me these. I'm not getting paid nothing. They just sent them to me to review. So we're going to take these things out of the package. So I got two sizes. I got a extra large for me and a large for my wife. They do come with, of course, a battery pack will be in this box, and then a manual for it right here. We're going to take them out, check them out, and see what we have. So they definitely come packaged good. And wow, I can tell already these are going to be quality, no doubt about it. And everything that I've got from them, even the vests, are very good quality. So let's see if this is the right size for me. This is my wife's. I'll have to open this one up for me. But as far as look, this thing looks great. Made out of some good material, nice pockets. So there's a front pocket right here, which is very nice. Open up. Lots of room in this pocket for sure. That's a big pocket. Very nice zippers. So we also have side pockets right here, which is going to come in handy to keep your gloves in or whatever. Put your hands in if you're cold. Check that out. Very nice right there. And these pockets are also located right here where the heat is. So if you're out, you're not riding, of course, but you can take your hands and zip the pockets, put your hands right in there where the heat is, warm your hands up. So that will be nice too. Up here we have the switch right by the Kimimoto logo, and this will do all the functions, which is turning on the heat in various places. Very nice. It does have a place on here on the shoulder for a patch. It's Velcro right here. Then we also have a pocket on the sleeve. They spared no expense as far as making this thing. They definitely made it. It's this soft shell material. Very nice. And it's even going to look good. As you can tell by the looks of it right here that it's going to be stylish. There's also a pocket on this sleeve. So great place to carry your cell phone. Let's look on the back here. As far as on the back, very nice. This does also have a hood, which is going to come in handy. And the hood is kind of unique how they made the hood. They made the hood where instead of unzipping like a lot of them, and then of course if you do that, you may not have your hood with you when you're out somewhere. Well, this hood will just roll up or fold up wherever you have, and then you can take the hood like so and Velcro it, and it kind of looks like your collar after you do that. So you just have this little flap that folds downward, Velcros down over your hood, hold your hood right up behind you instead of your hood back here flapping in the breeze, especially if you're like us and you ride motorcycles. So that will be nice. Very nice zippers on the front. It also has the drawstrings right here that can be tightened into place. Zip the front here, look inside. So the inside is very nice material. It's going to be nice and soft, warm material. In here we have a pocket. This pocket right here is where our battery is going to go. And there should be a power cord right in here. There is to plug your battery in. So you stick your battery in, zip it right up. This side over here, they also put another pocket, which is like a mesh pocket. So that'd be very nice just to carry something. You could actually throw your cell phone in that too. And then also on the bottom of this jacket, it has another drawstring so you can pull it around your waist and draw your waist up tight. Because on a motorcycle, when you're riding, you want to be able to do that. Like the sleeves, you want to pull them tight. You want to be able to pull the waist tight and everything to keep all the air out that you can. And then when you get the heat added to it, it's going to be real nice. So on these sleeves, they have Velcro cuffs. You can roll them up tight, Velcro them. They also have the cuffs that your hand go in, and so to keep it airtight with your gloves, you put your hand through these cuffs. Has a thumb hole. I'll demonstrate here in a minute. And you can put your gloves on over this, and it's going to keep it nice and airtight from any wind going up your sleeves. But we're going to open up mine, and I'm going to try it on. Then we'll get my wife out here, have her try hers on. So I have not removed these yet. I actually did cut the tape on the box, but hadn't removed them yet. I really like this stylish look they put on the side here too, to make it look good. That looks very cool. So this is a very good looking jacket. And I did notice too that these pockets here actually have a flap over the top of the pocket, and it's probably maybe to keep rain out. This is waterproof material. They do have the very good zippers on these. Let's open this up and try this one on. This one is the XL, so hopefully this is pretty true to size and it fits me good. But we are going to find out right here. So it looks like the XL is going to fit me perfectly. It's a little snug, but I like it a little snug, and the reason why I like mine a little snug is because if I wear this, I need to also be able to wear my riding gear, which is my climb jacket, over this. It has all the protection in it. So I'm going to have this heated jacket on, and then if it's real cold, I'll have my climb on over this. And I don't want it to be super big and bulky, which this is not. We'll zip it up here. Zips up nice. One cool thing about this zipper is it pulls all the way up, kind of like a turtleneck. That's what you want on a motorcycle, because when you put your helmet on, you want to stop every bit of air you can from coming around your neck, and this fits really nice and snug up around my neck. Pull the hood on, and I actually could have this hood on under the helmet because it's a thin hood, not a big bulky hood. So fit is really nice and good here. I like that. I do like these cuffs that your hands go in. That's going to be nice for putting my gloves on right over the top of that. And most of the time, you can keep your hat back. If your hat's interfering, you can roll it up and Velcro it, as I showed you earlier. Pull the sleeves nice and tight with this Velcro. So this company is no joke. They really do make some quality stuff. Everything that I've got from them is quality. I wear my gloves if it gets cold. They got batteries in them. I wear them all the time to work. I wear the vest normally, but now with this, I won't be needing to wear the vest. You could probably be overkill if you had on the heated vest and the heated jacket. But also the heated socks work great in your riding boots. So they make some really good stuff. So this thing fits nicely and it looks stylish. It looks good. The pockets are nice. Easy to get here right here, the chest pocket. Lots of room in that pocket. Then we got our arm pockets. Very nice. You can put a patch on there. I don't actually have a patch, but if a person had a Velcro patch you put on here or this side, either side. Both pockets. Very cool. So we unzip it here. And this is where our battery will go. Unzip it inside. So let's take one of the batteries out of the pack right here. So these should be really good, long-lasting batteries. And nice size. The way this is made, it does have a power button on it right here. It has a USB. Now you can use this USB out to power and charge your cell phone. So you could actually have this thing in here in your pocket. You could plug it in and charge your cell phone while you're riding. And of course, now if you use this, you're going to use some of your heating battery, but it does come with a USB to micro USB charging cable. And then right here on the side is where it plugs in. It says 5 volts in. And you take your micro USB, plug it right in here. Now I can actually charge this in the house. I can charge this at work. I can plug it into my motorcycle to the USB and charge it while I'm riding and not having to use it. I can actually plug it in and charge it. We just plug our battery in. Now, when we press our button, you probably won't be able to see this on camera because they're pretty tiny LEDs, but it does have 4 indicator LEDs here that shows your charge. So 1 would be pretty much discharged and then 4 would be full. When we press this, it lights them up so you can check how much your battery is. Very nice and easy to stow it right inside here. Zip the pocket. Now to turn this on, we're going to hold this button down for about 3 seconds. You can press it to the button. Clicks. comes on. It takes about 5 minutes to preheat, so that's what it's doing right now. It's actually kind of fading in and out red. It's going to be pretty hard to see that light. It's not very bright. At night you would, but it's fading in and out red. And wow, I can tell you right now, 5 minutes, but I'm telling you, it's already heating up. I can feel it in this arm, and this arm, especially the arms first. Of course, they fit the snuggest on me, but yeah, so it's already heating up good. And then it will automatically, after 5 minutes, go to medium, which should be the white light. And then after this turns white, that means we're already preheated, we're ready to go, we're on medium, and you can press this to cycle through the different heat temperatures, which is push it as red is going to be high power, white is going to be medium power, and then blue is going to be low power. So then to turn it off, we will press it down for 3 seconds, and then it will go off, the LED will go out. So this battery, I want to explain a couple things yet, and I got the manual here because it's hard to remember all of it. But pretty much says it is 5,000 milliamp hour, 36 watt hour, micro USB to charge it up, 5 volt, 2 amp. The output on the USB right here is 5 volt, 2.1 amp, 7.4 volt DC, 2 amp. And the weight of this battery is 7.05 ounces. So it's not real heavy. It's got a little weight to it, but actually when I've got this one inside right now, and I'm actually warming up really good too, so getting pretty hot already. And that's on medium. I don't even feel the weight of that battery. Okay, now you've seen this light come on right here. That means we are preheated. We are in medium power and ready to go. So if I press this one more time, we're going to go to low and it turns blue. Press it one more time, we go to red. And then, of course, if I was to hold this down 3 seconds, it will shut off. So that is very nice. This thing is very nice and comfortable. I can't imagine putting this thing on high like I just did. It's going to get really hot in this thing. Medium, I'm like burning up in here. The temperature in this garage right now, because it's pretty cool outside, is about 60 degrees. So it's fairly warm in here, but it's cool enough, that you can really, really feel this thing. If I was inside the house, it would be way too hot. So let me get my wife out here and get her to try hers on. And then tomorrow, as I said, we're going to take this for a ride. We're going to try it out. Then we're going to give you our comments of what we think on the riding review and how they worked. Okay, so I brought my wife out here. We're going to try it out. She can put hers on. I've already actually got the battery stuck in it. Put it on there, zip it up, see how it fits. Now hers is a little looser. She likes hers a little bit looser. That's why she wanted a large instead of a medium.
Yeah, I don't like them tight.
And these are unisex jackets. Male, female, either one can use them.
There we go.
Okay, now you just hold that button right there down for 3 seconds. It should turn red. That means it's turned on. There you go. Now what it's going to do on her, just like it did on me, it's going to preheat. Takes about 5 minutes to preheat. We're not going to wait that long, and then it will turn white like mine did, which means it's a medium. And then I'll show her so she'll know how to use it. So once you're in there, you push it. There's what it's going to be, is medium. When it gets 5 minutes going on, you don't have to do yours yet because it actually ain't warmed up. Push it again, it goes to blue. That's going to be low power. And then when you push it again, it goes to red. That's going to be high power. So put mine on medium for now, because this thing really gets pretty warm and it don't take very long to get there. And that's on medium. I ain't tried high power for 5 minutes yet, but I'd say it'll really get warm. So we're going to take these things tomorrow. She likes the fit of hers, okay? Does it look good, fit good?
Yep.
So she likes the fit of hers. We're going to take these tomorrow on the ride on the motorcycle. It's going to be about 70, but in the morning when we go, it's probably going to be pretty cool. So we're definitely going to get to try them out and see how they work. I'm going to take...
Arms heating up.
Feel the arms heating up already? Yeah, I did too. The first thing I felt was these arms right here start heating up. So the pads are obviously located like right here, which is really where you want them, because when you're riding a motorcycle, that's where the air is going to hit you, is right in here. And what this is going to do with them, the pads right here, the heating pads, the one in the back and the arms, it's going to warm your blood up, and your warm blood's going to circulate, and that actually help keep you warm. And like I said, you can put the hood over it if you like. You can put the hood on, and your helmet should fit over the hood. If it's not comfortable, you wouldn't actually have to, but you could put the hood on. take the hood off, and then we just roll it up, turn around here. So we just kind of fold it, roll it here, take this strap loose, and once we get it to where you want it, we can take this strap and strap it shut, like so. Now, if we didn't want it, if you just want to let it hang down, of course, when you do that, it has a place to also Velcro the strap back. When you do that, of course, on a motorcycle, it's probably going to be flapping in the wind behind your helmet. So I think we're going to keep ours rolled up unless we need them. We'll just keep them rolled up all the time. When you get off of the motorcycles, where it's going to come in handy, because we can take these and put the hoods on if it's windy outside and keep our ears warm. So it should be pretty nice. Now, the hood's not heated, and I don't know that it needs to be, but hers is just like mine. Of course, has the Velcro patches on it. You have a pocket here. You have one pocket inside. You have both pockets right here that are zippable, and they're nice. And the cool part about this is, put your hands in here, you're going to feel the heat from the heat pads inside here. So if you're outside, not on the motorcycle, you can put your hands in there and keep them warm.
I feel the heat down there.
She'd probably be putting her hands in there while we're riding instead of having them hanging on. But that'll keep your hands warm. I can feel the heat right now.
Yeah,
So pretty nice. So that's it for tonight, guys. We're going to take these things tomorrow. We're going to charge them up tonight. We're going to take them tomorrow on the ride. Then we're going to let you know what we think of both of them, both of our opinions, and see how they do. So, cut.
Right on.
Camera, action, whatever you call it. You can tell I'm into the movies. We shall be back. Okay, I took this thing out and wore it at nighttime, and it actually works really good. I wore it at nighttime because it's going to be warmer tomorrow. Well, right now it's 40 degrees. This thing feels good. Nice and warm now. I got it on high. Figured 40 degrees, go ahead and turn it on high. I did let it warm up 5 minutes before I took off, but so really nice. This is going to be what I wear every day to work. I can turn it on in the morning, let it preheat for 5 minutes, throw it on, head into work. And if it's actually too cold, then I can actually wear my riding gear over the top of this, and I know I'll be nice and cozy. Okay, guys, we've been out riding. We're down by Eureka Springs, Arkansas now. Actually, we got these jackets just on low, but we started out, it was about 60 degrees, so it wasn't too cold. But now I think it's up more like 65 or more, so. On low, actually, I could turn mine off. It's a little bit warm.
Yeah, it feels nice. It's nice and comfortable.
But they definitely feel nice. I guess if it gets cold enough, we could go ahead and turn them up on medium or high, but definitely ain't going to do it today. But it's going to be a real nice day later on. This is a good spot.
It definitely works. It feels nice. It keeps you on a cool breeze.
Yeah, you can really feel it in your arms. Feels good. Turn mine off. Just hold it down so it should go off.
Okay, I think it's dark.
Okay, guys, that's it for the kimimoto jackets. Pretty cool, and these things are super warm even without turning the heat on, so they work really good. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Check out the link below where you can check these out. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.